Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about Phemex platform. Okay, so this is a trading cryptocurrency platform where you can simply buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So if you join the Phemex, and you may simply claim up to 8,800 welcome rewards. So don't forget to use our referral link, which is in the description box. So if you follow the referral link, then you'll get some extra reward over here. So simply don't forget to use our referral link. Okay, so what does simply Phemex do? So basically you can simply invest some amount of money over here and simply do trading, like future trading, copy trading. So each and everything you can simply do. So we'll be learning today. We will be learning how we can simply register, so how we can simply see the market overview, and how we can trade over in Phemex platform. So simply, if you want to create a Phemex account, so simply you need to give a username, like a email and password. So simply I have also provided the referral code. So if you follow the referral code, then you'll get some extra reward that I have already told you. So if you follow the link also, and if you follow the referral code, then you can simply see this kinds of interface and you'll get some extra reward over there. So simply use email address and tap on create account. Then after, you will see this kinds of interface over there, like create account, verify and deposit, and trade to earn. So simply first of all, I have created the Phemex account. So I think you have also done this. So I need to verify my account. So verify and deposit. So before moving to trading, and before I invest some amount of money over here, so I need to verify my account. So simply tap on verify now. Then after, you will see this kinds of interface. So it's loading. Okay, so after the tapping on, if you tap on verify and deposit, you will see this kinds of interface over here. So simply see first time deposit coin and each and everything. So if I tap on deposit, then you can simply see here, like select coin to deposit. So which coin you want to deposit for, like USDT, BTC, and there are ETHs and many more options are there. So whichever you prefer, you can simply do for it. So just such a basic thing. So you need to enter your visa card, number, CVC code, etc. Okay, so before deposit the money, you can simply see the cryptocurrencies and the coin. So which coin you want for. So if you copy address or scan QR code, so simply you can do as it is. So simply copy address and scan QR code. You can simply scan the QR code and deposit the amount of money over Phemex platform. So simply whichever you prefer, you can simply do that. There is no any objection over there. So simply we need to talk about buy and sell the crypto. So how I can simply buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So simply you can see at the right side, like buy and sell, and I want to buy for $1,000. So you can simply select the currency over there, and you can simply select the coin. So you will receive, like if I invest 1000 USD, then I'll get 977.1022 USDT. So simply you can purchase these things. So for the sale also, if you have the coin cryptocurrencies over in this Phemex platform, simply you can do selling like over here. So buy and sell is just like if you have a money, then you can simply buy, or if you have a coin in the Phemex platform, simply you can select the selling. So simply you need to just like if you wanna just continue the purchase, if you wanna purchase the currency, the crypto, simply you can use other like option like third party option also, and debit card, visa card, mastercard. So simply you can see all the details over here. So whichever you prefer, you may select and proceed to pay. So simply it just like privacy thing. So I am just guiding you. So it depends upon you whether you invest here or not. So we are not just enforcing you to just spend here in Phemex platform. So we are like tutor for you. So it's just a tutorial video. So this is a reminder for you. Okay, so if you wanna just confirm, then you can simply tap on confirm now. Then after the confirmation, you will see you will receive some amount of money. After that, you can simply see the market overview here. So simply you can see the graph chart over here. So if you like successfully purchase yeah, the coin from Infimex platform, so simply you will be see these kinds of interface over there. So if you like if you see here red mark and the green mark, so red is for the selling and like green is for the buying. So you can simply see the each moment, each hour live, they are updating for you. So simply if you like see the market overview of the Bitcoin or BTC or ETH, so etc., you can simply see over here, and you can simply buy or sell the pro the like sorry your coin. Okay, so here you can simply see the buying rate is just high than selling rate. So if you see on the left side, so simply you can select the coin. So which cryptocurrency coin you want to just like buy or sell for, you can simply choose, and you can simply proceed your cryptocurrency journey over here in Phemex platform. So simply you can see the at the right side like long and short. So you can buy or sell the cryptocurrencies over here. So it's just a simple process. So if you have some amount of good amount of money, you can simply do here in Phemex platform. So after this, so we'll be moving towards the like some of the extra feature in Phemex platform. So simply you will be see like this kinds of interface over here. So if I tap on like buy cryptocurrency, and if I tap on trade, then you will be see again these kinds of interface. So before that, I have show you the future trading, but this is like trading here in Phemex platform. So whichever you want to do for, so simply select the market, and you can simply start your trading journey over here. So it's just a very simple and easy process. So you can simply see buy and sell, you can do as it is. So here in the VIP program, so here you can simply see if you have a kind of a good budget, so they also provide VIP program. So you can invite your friends, and you'll get extra reward in Phemex platform. So this is how they are doing, they are collaborating with you. So here you can simply see the market overview. If I tap on market, then you will be see these kinds of interface over there. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care. Don't forget to use our referral link.